You've never seen a football game like this before. Out on the pitch, an incredible stadium experience. The unthinkable unfolds before your eyes. Players with unshakable belief, they're fast, passionate, powerful, bold, agile, brave, dynamic, excited, and celebrated. It's incredible! Introducing the Hisense ULEDTV U7, the official TV of UEFA Euro 2020. Hisense ULED TVs use dedicated quantum dot technology to extend the color gamut. Over 1 billion shades of colors can be reproduced on your display with quantum dot technology.
We have far more than that.
Hisense U7 Smooth Motion is able to create transitional frames and insert them where the image requires. The high-view engine chip makes sure you don't miss a single detail of moving moments. Motion estimation and motion compensation is adopted to reduce motion blur and judder with quantum dot color and smooth motion. That's not all. Hisense ULED TVs create a multi-channel surround sound with Dolby Vision Atmos, delivering a full, lifelike experience you can fully immerse yourself in. When sport mode is on, the picture and sound will be optimized, transforming your home into a live stadium. Up next is the Hisense Pureflat Refrigerator. Crushed, cubed, chill your drink ready for the game. Steakhouse, home cellar, pizza house. Whatever you want in the moment, it's up to you in My Fresh Choice Zone. One more thing. Introducing the Hisense ULED TV U8. Immerse yourself in the ultimate fantasy to unlock a richer, fuller, and more immersive experience. Hisense U8 Ultra Motion remarkably bright, clear, and fluid-moving objects are displayed on screen with an incredible native 120Hz refresh rate. The U8 speakers with Dolby Vision Atmos deliver a full, lifelike crowd sound. The U8 achieves a true stereo effect through intelligent multi-channel distribution technology, which converts various audio sources into stereo surround through multi-channel processing. Hisense ULED TVs and refrigerators set new standards for UEFA Euro 2020 football game. Your home, your stadium.